What's up, guys? It is Sunday, and we have a couple things that need to get done around here. One of the things is put the doors on the shed. I'm going to do that later on today, but right now what I wanted to do is put some gas in the quad truck and see if we can get that going again. I haven't been able to drive it in a while. I changed the carburetor to a 28 millimeter flat slide, so we'll see how that goes. It was running really good when I had it running the other day, but something I don't know if it ran out of gas or what happened, but you have to jump the solenoid, which I'm fine with. It's just getting it going, getting the seat installed in it, but we're gonna do that right now. Victor over there trying to hide in the shade and get out of here. He's got his tracker on, so he thinks it's okay to run off. I mean, it kind of is. Come here, Victor. We gotta say your prayers before you go anywhere. Come here. Wow, they're burning some stuff down there. See that? They're lighting things on fire. Anyways, we got the quad truck here, and I really need to figure out what's going on with it. I'm pretty sure it just is out of gas, but I think that what we're going to do is we're going to get to the bottom of that. I'm going to put some gas in it. I did replace the carburetor with a 28 millimeter flat slide. So let's do that. I think it ran out of fuel last time we did anything with it. So right now, what I want to try to do is put some fuel in it and see if we can get this thing running again. Let's see if we can get this thing running. Yeah, I love this freaking thing, man. I really do. It's one of my favorite toys that I've ever built. Hell, it's the first real toy I ever built. Get my new fancy gas can here, which I don't think is very fancy. I don't like it, to be honest with you. I am going to get on the internet soon and get me one of those fuel caddies that has a fuel pump on it, so you can just basically fill everything up like you're at the gas station. I think that is the smarter of the two options here. Because why not? Yeah, if you ever buy one of these, don't fill it all the way up like the actual gas can, because for 100% sure it is terrible to try to fill something up with it. I mean, I can understand a car or something, but I think it was a stupid idea to buy it. Wasted 20 bucks, if you ask me. Do we have fuel in our fuel filter? Nope, not yet. Let's try to turn this thing over and see if we can get some fuel in our fuel filter here. Maybe if we have to hit it with some starting fluid. Let me get some starting fluid. I'm not 100% sure what the hell is going on here. Is it on lock? Did I press the lock button? Victor, come! We lost Victor. We're gonna go for a cruise. So my chain popped off, so we got to get it running again. We got to get the chain fixed. Huh, it sucks pushing that thing. All right, so we got to get the chain back on there. You got to get a seat attached to it. Yeah, we got a couple things we got to do. But first things first is we're going to have to turn it around. Actually, you know what? We can put it in the shop. There's a bracket on the bottom, it's a skid plate, and I need to get it fixed. Let's figure out what's going on with this chain down here. We need to get this bracket off, but I can't tell. I might be able to cut it. I don't know, maybe give it, we'll see. All right, Yeah, this is what's causing it. We need to get this back taken off, so, but I really don't want to cut it off. Oh, it comes off. Let me grab the wrench real quick. It comes right off. Hey, you stay over here, buddy. Victor, come here. Where's he at? Oh, he's right here next to me, dude. What are you doing over there all the time, Victor? Gee Willikers, Batman. What are you doing? Why don't you go play with Everson and stay in the yard? What? Victor, come here. Come on, go inside. Do you see that? Well, you weren't here, but I had the quad truck going again a minute ago. I took it to your house and it died behind your barn. I've been trying not to like cruise it in your grass too much or nothing, but I wasn't like peeling out or nothing.
Over here and behind the shop, I'll get it here.
All I do is go around the shop and loop back around by your truck. If that's not okay, let me know. Do whatever we want. We don't have to go off of what normal people have.
Yeah.
Cause you got to think a lot of the times
You're more willing to fuck up your property than he would be.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, absolutely. It's funny you say it like that because it's very true.
But like,
yeah, I see I started the shock on it, and it just didn't work out. Oh yeah, baby. Now we should have some pretty good traction. I don't know. Should this chain be tight like that or should it not?
it should have a little bit of play.
Yeah, but is the chain supposed to be on top of the chain the chain tensioner or underneath it?
What do you mean?
It's supposed to be on top of it, right? Yeah, it's supposed to be on top of it.
No.
Yeah, because right now it's not serving a purpose.
No, it's supposed to. Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I thought you meant this supposed to be on top. No, this goes. The chain goes around.
All right, let's see if we can.
I don't know if you put any fucking.
Can you pull that? Hold on, let me see. You want to hold the front end down? Yeah.
It's sketchy.
Axle's probably bent. You know what I mean? Or it's probably because of the way it's sitting. Or you come here real quick. Tell me if you think it's straight. You think it's cockeyed? Like that side's in further? Or does it look fine? So it's hard to see it. Trying to figure out why it's so wobbly right now. Got Noah here with us, as you can see. But when we start it and roll it, it's really, really wobbly and it's not good. It's definitely far from good. So what we need to do is figure out. Actually, we could go take it for a test drive and see how it goes there. It was bogging down though. When I was driving it up your driveway, it was bogging down. When I started getting uphill, it started bogging down a little bit. But I mean, the only way we could do it is take a test drive. But I took the chain guard off because the chain guard kept causing the chain to pop. Every time I do it, the chain would release and pop. Oh, they just crashed. All right. Perfect. figure out why exactly it's running like crap. I'm not 100% sure about that, but it is not running the way I'd like it to. So we need to get this thing back in the shop and figure out what we need to do to tune it up to make it actually run right. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have a good day.